Hello everyone. Today we're going to explain why adding a bill of materials to your ERP system is important for your business. Let's get started. In manufacturing, efficiency and precision are critical factors. That is where bill of materials comes into play. A bill of materials is a comprehensive list of raw materials, components, and assemblies needed to manufacture a product. Here's why it is essential in ERP software. Accurate planning. Bill of materials ensures precise planning of materials and resources, minimizing waste and optimizing production schedules. Quality control. It standardizes components, ensuring consistent product quality and compliance with industry standards. Cost efficiency. By tracking material costs and quantities in real time, BOM helps manage budgets effectively. Enhanced collaboration. Bill of materials facilitates seamless communication across departments. All the teams can collaborate effectively and ensure everyone has the latest information. A well-managed bill of materials is the pillar of efficient manufacturing, which ensures products are built to specifications, on time, and cost-effective. Improve your manufacturing processes today.